Guys, look. OMG. OMG. Elefanto, elefanto. OMG. Elefanto, elefanto. Guys, look at me. Yeah, this is my private server. Then, this is the Flow Santa. Then, this is shop. Then, this is calendar. So, this is best with Lucky Block. So, this is done in 6 days. 8 age, 18 hours. Then, this is Robux shop. Then, this is radioactive speed. So, look, I will go inside of Santa Fuse. OMG, no, no. Yeah, I go. Look at him. I'm inside of Santa Fuse. OMG. So, thanks guys for watching. So, bye.